up, y'all? What I got laid down in front of y'all is Harbor Freight's new titanium brand modular welding table. 36 by 20, 40 table. Let's go ahead and take all these pieces and try to put it together. Make sure y'all got y'all safety glasses on too. Not everyone can have those heat wave visuals with the transition lenses. Let's get started. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and grab me a 13mm socket with a little impact driver and a 13mm wrench. I'm then gonna go ahead and take my bolts so that I can install the little tabletop legs. I'm gonna use this table as like a standalone table. So I'm just gonna install these bare without the little level. Use the outer bolt holes, right? Outer hole. You're gonna need the inner holes for them table legs. I'm gonna show you in just a second. This thing looks like it's gonna go together pretty easy, yeah? And yo, this table's only like 170 bucks. That's not bad for a welding table with hold down clamps and all that. Tell you that right now. Man, y'all got that on the floor and all. Yeah, that's why I love y'all. Got my butt crack hanging out and all. I like doing this much better than I like putting together IKEA furniture, y'all. Hey, drop a comment down below and say, would you rather assemble tools out in the garage or IKEA furniture for your old lady's bedroom set? I'm gonna take a guess right now and say y'all rather put y'all tools together. Now go ahead and run them tight, y'all. All right, now we're gonna assemble the legs. Evidently, the box part like this goes up, and the skinny part of these legs goes down. See how it just hooks? That's all you got. That's how that goes there. All right, you see how they hook in and then slide down? I guess that's all you gotta do. I ain't gonna lie with y'all, I think there's a better way than this. I think I wanna put them legs on there, on here, and then put this. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and bolt these things down like that and put that in after the fact. That looks like a better idea than the instructions. I hope this rain ain't hampering my audio. Oh Lord, there go that car that just got a set of mufflers installed. Every time they pass down the street, they feel the need that they gotta rev it up and all. thing slow. I was behind them in my Caprice the other day, and they were wide open, and I was cruising behind them. I was pushing them. They had no power in that Chrysler. They're making all that noise in that 6-cylinder Chrysler car. Ain't going nowhere. Just a lonely day, and it's mine. The most loneliest day of my life. Yo, it's kind of chilly today. I had to put a jacket on at work. All right. Now let's go ahead and try to put this thing in. Alright, let's go ahead and flip this thing over. Wait, hold on. First, I gotta put my feet adjusters in it. For now, I'm just gonna run them all the way down, yeah. Adjust them after a while. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all like what y'all seeing. Hey, I make all kind of other videos too. I don't know if this is y'all first video y'all watching. I mostly fool with cars. As you can see in the background. Here must have a little dink in the threads or something. Won't let me go down anymore. Hey, go ahead and drop a comment. What kind of welding y'all like to do best? Stick, TIG, or MIG? Me personally, I was a big MIG guy, but now that I kind of do a little bit of TIGging and I'm getting all right at it, I wouldn't even say I'm beginner level yet, but now that I know a little bit of the principle of it, I'm gonna say I like TIG better, man. It's so crisp. It's so tasty. Don't tell me this one's gonna fight me. Please go home. I got beans and bologna. Let me go get something to fix it. Sometimes you can hit down on some thread and fix them up. I think that's too flimsy to do that. If I was smart, I would have passed a little tap through the nut, but I don't feel like getting a tap, to be honest with you. Y'all ever punched a pair of channel locks before? Neither me. Alright, let's go ahead and flip this thing upside down. I mean, back ways up. Or however you want to say it. Alright. Look like you stay together for me. Let me make sure y'all are in the frame. We ought to test this thing sturdy. And it's good. Athlete parkour. Alright, so it comes with a few different type of clamps. Comes with these here that just go under the table. They got a threaded hole into them. If you want to clamp them down, you go ahead and magnet these things underneath the table. These are also threaded. If you want to thread your stops down, if you want to use these as spacers, see that little clamp right there? It goes over it if you want to slide it. That's a nice little feature. Comes with 4 bump stops. These little black things, they just go in the hole and you can rest your piece against it. That's all that is. All right, y'all, and things I think I'm gonna use the most is these clamps right here. Got that, got a nut, put them on the table, and you can clamp your work down. So I'm gonna take my piece, I'm gonna take my nut, go underneath the table, thread it tightly. Run that down. There you go. My pipe secured. Say I wanted to weld this old tube on. I can weld it up. Well, there y'all go. If y'all like this little Harbor Freight tool assembly video, go ahead and leave a comment and say, Jacob, I like that little video. That was cool. Or say, Jacob, poo-poo pee-poo. I don't care. Alright, y'all, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and hit that bell notification to get any new videos I post. Later.